Alright, these are at the Seascape Resort in Aptos, California. These are the lobby and conference elevators. This is the only make of two. This one's here in the garage. Here we go. 3. Door closes when you push the button. Here we go. Capacity of 1360, although this one says 1133. I don't know what it is. Very nice place. And a nice lift, too. Let's see, does it have... Oh, old school bumper. For its safety. Nice. Back down in the garage. Okay, this permit is going to be renewed, hopefully. But it's all good. Stop the button to go out. Oh wow.